everyone, so this video is going to be a video of first impressions. I'll be using the Do It For The Gram palette for the first time. The contact lenses I'm wearing are from Primal and the color is in Grace Ash, SPH, Grace Ash. So that's the color I'm wearing, and the brand is called Primal. They sent some other contact lenses to me, so you'll be seeing them throughout the course of this month. So that's that, Primal, and the color is, I think it's Grace Ash. I really think it's called Grace Ash. Alright, so that's that. I used the Jackie Aina Artist Couture collab for the very first time. Let's see what I think about that, because you guys know I love Jackie Aina, so let's see what I think about that. And I use the Fenty Beauty lippies, so I give you guys 4 different lip colors that you can rock with this look if you so choose to. What else did I use for the first time? No, that's it. That's it for this intro, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment, and later in the video I'll be doing a poll, so it has something to do with the classes, so please take part in the poll if you really want to attend the classes or if the classes appeal to you. If you don't care about it, you don't want to do any classes from me or whatever, please don't take part in the poll. It's going to mess up what I'm doing and how I can prepare. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please enjoy this one. Alright, so hi guys, so this video is going to be, as you guys saw in the intro, my beauty bakery stuff, my Jackie Aina stuff. Hopefully I like it. I really hope I do like it. So I'm just going to start this out by doing my brows the same way how I always do my brows. I'm using my anchor pencil. It says Crayon Cream 2-in-1 and the number is 09. Now I legit thought that this color was black when I bought it because it's in the black packaging, right? Wrong. It's not in the black. It is in the black packaging, but it's not black. So it turned out to be brown, and not just any brown, like a really light brown, which I've grown to love. But I press it on my skin. I don't apply it with a light hand. I darn near push this onto my skin so that I get a nice color pair, so it's not that light. I mean, it is light. It is significantly lighter than my brow hairs. That's why I like to push it into my skin so that it blends and it mixes better, rather than just looking like a really light brown pencil. Alright, so I am going to be using the Fenty primer. And if you follow my vlogs, just see my unboxing, it's pretty cool. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm going to be using It's Your Face Perfect Foundation, which you guys love. You're like, no man, Lyric is your color, whatever. I mean, this one person was like, finally, it's something that matches. I'm like, boo, it's just foundation. I'm not ending world hunger. I haven't been successful in world peace. You know, like I haven't done any of those things, but she made it seem as if I made this huge breakthrough. I mean, I still do have a Nobel Prize for matching my foundation. That's where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I just apply it. This is in the color DC3, and I'm going to be using other brush here. Yes. No. Oh, good. I'm going to be using my Pommy brush, and this is from the Dipped in Elegance line. That's now available at Fontana Pharmacy. So I typically do 3 pumps. 1 pump here, 1 pump here, and 1 pump there on my forehead. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Suede from Fenty Beauty. And for my low light, I'm going to be taking Espresso again from Fenty Beauty. This is what my face is looking like without any powders, without setting anything. And guys, I love how this looks. So I'm almost out of my Sacha Buttercup. I'll be taking my Sacha Buttercup to set everywhere where I placed what's that color called? Suede, the lighter color. Yeah, So I'm going to be using my sponge as well to do that. Alright, and for my all over face powder, I'm going to be taking my my Sedona Lace 602 brush, and I'm taking Black Opal 700 Deep, and it's a loose powder. Alright, so in regards to my makeup classes, I was just thinking, because I was thinking about my foundation and how really good my foundation looks, you know, and I was like, it's from It's Your Face, and It's Your Face Cosmetics hails from, you guys will never guess, from Florida. And you guys know Florida is where I have my makeup classes. The reason why it's in Florida is because it's just more convenient for me. It's a familiar place for me, so for me to venture outside of that anywhere else, it's going to be a lot for me. So I'm taking it a step at a time. I remember that Jonathan travels with me as well, so I want to come to somewhere, you know, a couple times where he's familiar, you know what I mean. So so I've just been thinking a lot about the classes, and you guys know I had put up, I didn't even learn how to put up the poll, but I think I know how to do it now, so I'm going to do that poll in the video. So I want to know what you guys think about me doing 2 sets of classes. One where I teach you guys how to do your makeup, so it's going to be one-on-one but with people, you know what I mean, so you won't be certified. Let me say that's the uncertified class, and then we're going to be having the certified class, which is the group setting where you guys work on other people. So the non-certified class, or the uncertified class, sorry, that's where you work on yourself, and the certified class is when you work on other people. So let me know what you think about that via the poll. Right, so I'm just going to make this stay. I don't think this is blended out well. Thanks. Yeah, I don't think this is blended out well. So let me just go in with the eyes. And for the eyes, I'll be using my Beauty Bakery palette. I don't know if I love it yet. And if you guys follow me on my vlog channel, I'll tell you that Jackie Anna is the one that introduced me to this palette, to this company. So I'm taking this color here. They don't have names, which I don't really mind. So I'm taking this color. It's like a beige, and I'm using that to set my brow bone. Now you guys know I always use my Sasha Buttercup to set my brow bone, but I'm using this, okay? And I think I have an idea. I know how to utilize the shoot out of that orange, so I'm just pushing that in to set. Great. So now I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush, my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to use this color up here. So I like applying colors in this area of my eyes, because then it allows my brow bone to stand out some more. I have hooded eyes, and this is just what I do, just to give my eyes a bit more dimension, because with hooded eyes, as you guys know, it is we don't have a lot working with, or our folds fall down on our lids, and it's just not a cute show. So I try to manipulate that with makeup. So I put eyeshadow here so that my brow bone can stand out. So I'm going back in with that same eyeshadow. I'm not using a lot, and I'm taking my 224. The 224 is just a bit more precise. And that brow bone highlight was too light for me, so I'm going to take the same color, put it on the side of the brush, and I'm going to just blend that right there. So I'm blending up a little bit, like up on my brow bone, to get rid of that white one. And also I'll be placing more colors up there. Well, I think I'll be placing more colors up there. Same color going on my crease now, and I'm not using a lot. Watch, I'm gonna have my wedding ring, and look, I'm gonna set it out nice and cutely. I mean, okay, so the next color I'll be going in with is this one here, and I'm using the same 224. And just my first impressions of these colors, it's really good. I like it. Oh wait, all right, so that brown is not showing up how I want it to. I guess it's because I'm sweeping. You can see a bit of definition, but not a lot. Not a lot in comparison to the brown that's in the pan. Alright, so I'm going to apply some more, and I'm going to pat it in my crease. See what that does. It's not coming off as the brown that's in the pan. It's not giving me that brown that's in the pan, you guys. Alright, the color is dark, and it's not giving me that depth. Alright, if you can see on my eyes now, there's like a line here. So frustrating. So every time I do my brow bone, that line presents itself. Okay. So I'm going to take this Motives brush, and it's just a nice fluffy little brush. And I'm going back in with the first brown color, and I'm going right where I'm seeing that line. Alright, cool. So then I'm going to be taking, and this is the darkest color in the pan. So I'm going to be taking this orange. I really hope this orange comes through for me, because this is the orange that I saw, and I was like, yes, orange. Alright. Okay, and I'm taking this color all the way over in here. Alright, I am not mad at this. I mean, it's not coming out as bam as it is in the palette, but it's good color payoff. Now I know Beauty Bakery also has lippies. The only thing I have from them is this palette, and they have this powder that Jackie Aina also always uses, but the only thing I got was this palette. So I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush, and I'm taking this part here, and I'm going to be going in with this dark color again. Let's see if the density of the brush can give me some more color payoff. Alright, not a lot at all. Wow, it's almost like it's not doing anything. Alright, let's go in. This is the brush that I use to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking my Sedona Lace palette, and this creases on me whenever I use it for this step. So I'm just going to have to hope that it doesn't crease. Because when I use it with my Fenty eyeshadows, it didn't crease. So I'm wondering if it's because it's shimmer. I don't know. So I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. Alright, so then I'm going to be going in with, let's see what brush. I feel like I need to use a stiff brush. Alright, so it's going to this tiny brush. I mean, I can get it with a brush like this because of my eye shape. It's another Motives brush, and it just looks like this. Yeah, so let's go in with this color. So it's creasing already. Alright, but that's a really bright color. Let's see what else Beauty Bakery has for me. So let's move to, ooh, should I move to this color then this? Or this color then this? Or this color then this? Let's do this. Ooh, this color. The eyeshadows feel stiff. It doesn't feel flaky. Like I'm not going in it, and I'm getting like flakes everywhere. Okay, so let's do this color next. See, I went in like 4 times and it's not flaking off. That's good. That's nice. I like that. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright, so ooh, I love this color. It's coming off orangey. I'm going back in with this color here. Oh, these look really close together. See that? They look heaven close. So I'm just going to tap once for the first color and just feather it in. I am not mad. I'm not mad at the shimmery colors. I just feel like the darker colors, the matte colors, aren't coming out as how I would want them to come out. But I mean, I'm not like mad like this is a bad palette. So let's, excuse me, so let's do the other eye. Alright, so far it's good. 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 I just really wish the dark colors were darker on me, but it's good. So I'm using my extremely soft eyeliner, and it's just called Mabrook, and it's from isakenNFA.com. Alright, so I'm taking that orange color and I'm putting it right underneath the black. So I'm going in with the same yellow. I'm going to apply it right here. Okay, so now for my lashes, I believe these are called Raspberry, and they're from, please go on your profile and watch from your profile. They're because I actually want to watch everything over with you. These are called Raspberry, and they're from La Page Trends. And La Page Trends, I got, this was in the package that Isaken sent. So if you go on Isaken NFA, you can find this bonnet I'm wearing. You can find these lashes. It comes. This lash comes in a set though, and I have the set. I don't have it in. I don't have the lash by itself. I have it with the set. And you can also find the pencil, the eyeliner pencil that I used as well. So all you need to do is go on Isaken NFA, and of course for Beauty Bakery products, you can go on beautybakery.com. From my Sasha Buttercup, I bought mine from Fontana. So you can go to Fontana, order on Fontana.com. With Fontana, when you purchase over $50 worth of products, you get shipping for free. My It's Your Face foundation is from itsyourfacecosmetics.com, and everything else Fenty is of course fentybeauty.com. The other paints that I use for my brows, I bought it at my, you guys call it a corner store, we'll call it shop. So I buy mine a shop. So I feel like my eye needs a bit more pizzazz, so I'm actually going to go in with a different black pencil, and this is from Air Woman, and it's in number 010001. It's not as pigmented as the one from Isaken NFA, but yeah. So I'm just going to draw a line and blend that out. Alright, so for my highlight, I'll be taking Artist Couture in collaboration with Jackie Aina, and I think I'll be using both of them. And I'm just doing this for the sake of the tutorial because lately I'm not, you know what, let me see how it's going to work out. So it comes in this bag, and this is what they look like. So it just has Artist Couture Rose Gold, which you know is Jackie Aina's favorite color, and this is La Bronze, and this is La Peach. Okay dokie. So let me go in with La Bronze. Oh, backside, I'm not really pull it. Alright, so La Bronze. Wow. Wow, this is so nice. This is really nice, and I'm not going in with it all blindy and stuff. I'm just using it to accent this eye look, and this is really nice. This rose gold, this rose gold moment, that's nice. And obviously you can build it up, which I'm trying my hardest not to do. This is good. And I know that highlighter game is a bit played out now, but it's good to have, you know, a collector's item, and it's good to support your own. You know what I mean? And this is really nice. That's really good. That's really good, Jackie. That's really, really good. Alright, let me, you know, just love it. You know, just love it. Alright, so let's go in with La Peach. The cover came off. The cover came off. Can I just push it back down? Oh, okay, so it can push it back down, so I just push it back down. So LYRICRochester was the very first highlighter she created, and of course she created it for women of color, you know, women who don't really like the whole ashy look of a highlighter, which I don't know, I think you can make a highlighter work. That's just me. I think it can make anything work, but that's just me, you know, you don't have to agree or whatever, but I think so. But it's for the women who just thought like, that for us women who thought like, yo, there isn't any really good highlighters there for darker skinned women. And then Jackie Aina went a step further and said there isn't any good rose gold highlights. So that's how LYRICrochester was birthed. And then after having LYRICrochester, and you know, she loved babies, you know, she's like, let me pop another one out, you know. So this is La Peach. And I'm kind of, okay, I'm going to put it on top of LYRICrochester. Alright, Jackie Aina. This is really good. This is really good. And I'm not even using a lot. You see, it can be, it doesn't have to be blinding. This is good. And it doesn't look ashy on my skin either. Well, let me know, because for the foundation, I thought the foundation wasn't a match for me. And then you guys are like, no, LyricRochester's like, look at your face, it's matching. To me, it doesn't look ashy. Let me know what you guys think, but it doesn't look ashy to me at all. For my lips, so I'll be doing 4 different lip looks. I'll be trying out the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselles, and I'm going to use this color last because I feel like I want to wear that one. The very first one that I'm going to be trying is, where is it? Okay, here it is. It is called Freckle Fiesta.
I've been doing this a long time. I mean, over half my life. So it's awesome for me to be able to put out music that people will actually hear, especially when you put this much time into something that you love, something you have a passion for. That's motivation.
So this other color is called Candy Venom.
Feels like we're on the edge right now. I wish that I could say I'm proud. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you down. All these voices in my head get loud. I wish that I could shut them out. I'm sorry that I let you down. Let you.
So this next one is called Spanked.
I talk to God like what's next for me. I'm just fulfilling my destiny. fulfilling my destiny, yeah. I talked to God like what's next for me.
Pants is looking good. Now this last one is the one that I will be wearing because I love a nice pinky nude. I'm hoping it's a nice pinky nude. It looks like a nice pinky nude to me anyway. So this last color that I'll be trying is Single. So I'm going to line my lips with Espresso from LA Girl. Then I'm going to be taking the Glass Bomb and I'm going to be so this is the final look, you guys, and I'm wearing Single with the Glass Bomb on top. You can wear it matte if you want to, and to line my lips, as you guys saw, I use the LA Girl lip liner in Espresso. I really like how this entire look came together. The lashes, the lips, the bonnet, the hair, you know, like it just came together. The highlight though, it's nice. Like, yeah, like Jackie did the darn thing. So this is it for this look, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, check out my website LyricRochester.com as well as my Instagram LyricRochester. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.
Woke up in the cell, where am I at? Yeah, it's cold, but I like that. What am I trapped? Heart's beating out of my chest. Doors locked, but the keys are in my hands. Yeah, I swear it doesn't make sense, does it? I make songs that don't make friends. Judge me, might smile, but it ain't that funny. Sing along to the pain, they love it. Life's like a merry-go-round, I'm still trying to figure it out. I like space, I don't fit in the crowds. My whole life I've been airing it out. Oh, I'm getting into character now. Feels wrong, but it feels right. My feelings seal tight, real nice, but I will fight anything to win. But I'm not Mike Tyson.